Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add filter to dashboard in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the Try Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding filters to a dashboard in Tableau allows you to control which data is displayed and helps users interact with the dashboard more dynamically. Now, once you have opened the Tableau on the website, you can also open the Tableau desktop on your computer, load the workbook containing the dashboard where you want to add a filter. Now, if you don't have a dashboard yet, all you're going to do is go to this option right here that says Create a workbook, or if you have already, upload your workbook. Now once you do that, you will be given a blank document here. Basically, you can connect this data. Now I'm gonna connect this data here on the dashboard. Just wait for it. All right, and of course you can add sheets as you go along, like text right here. But if it's a little bit hassle, just go again to the new workbook and of course connect the data, the existing data that I have on this site. For example, I'm going to be using this one, the Superstore data source. I'm sorry. After that, you will be loaded with a lot of information, and putting the filter is really easy. All right, because all you're going to do is drop information here. You can drop field. And voila, you can add filter on the left side panel. You can filter by the calculation. Of course, you can filter by measure. You can also filter by comment. So there's a lot that you can do. As you can see, the filters is already added here. Now, you can set up the filter options according to your needs. You can choose to filter by values and other criteria. All right. Now, remember that when adding criteria, you can also have an option to the dashboards. And then go to actions and create a new filter action. All right, because for example, if you have a hierarchical data, you can use the filters to allow to go to the data level, such as you can customize the filters into their color, for example red or orange. Maybe you can customize the size, the text, on the appearance using formatting options to match the dashboard's design and improve user experience. And obviously, you can effectively use all these to configure your Tableau dashboard, enhancing its interactivity, making it more user-friendly when you use the filter. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.